Looking for the best tin snips? We've tested top models for power, precision, and durability. Whether you need straight, left, or right cuts, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to find the perfect snips for your next project. Craftsman's CMHT 73558. Aviation snip set is a solid choice for sheet metal work. This three-piece set includes straight cut, left cut, and right cut snips, giving you all the essential cutting options. Built with induction-hardened stainless steel blades, these snips stay sharp longer and make quick work of 18-gauge cold-rolled steel or 22-gauge stainless. A spring-assisted latch allows for fast one-handed operation, while the large handle rings and double-dipped grips enhance comfort during extended use. For added precision, Craftsman integrated 1/4-inch blade markings, making repeatable cuts easier. The offset design helps keep material away from your hands, improving both safety and efficiency. Whether you're working on ductwork, flashing, or other sheet metal projects, these snips deliver clean, controlled cuts. Plus, with Craftsman's full lifetime warranty, you can count on long-term durability. If you're looking for a dependable aviation snip set, this one won't let you down. You're not going to want to miss this one. Midwest Snips delivers with the MWT 6516 Power Cutter, an offset long-cut aviation snip built for precision and power. This model is a favorite among pros thanks to its hot, drop-forged molybdenum alloy blades that slice cleanly through ribbed metal roofing, siding, and even vinyl nail lips. The compound leverage action makes cutting almost effortless, while the extra-wide blade opening ensures smooth, uninterrupted cuts. Grip fatigue? Not a problem. Midwest's cushion power handles provide comfort and control for extended use. It meets ASME standards, so you know it's built to last. Whether you're tackling HVAC ducting or detailed metalwork, this snip handles it all with ease. At this price point, it's one of the best performing offset aviation snips on the market. Midwest Snips has a range of aviation snips, and the MWT 6900R stands out as the only upright model in our lineup. Designed for right-hand cuts in tight spaces, this snip delivers precision and control where standard models fall short. The forged molybdenum alloy blades provide serious durability, staying sharp through heavy use. While it's optimized for right curves and straight cuts, the upright handle design also gives it an edge in confined and overhead work. Cutting capacity is solid, handling 24-gauge cold-rolled steel and 28-gauge stainless with ease. The cushion power grips offer great comfort, with ribbed texturing to prevent slippage. Midwest's compound leverage system multiplies cutting force, making tough cuts feel effortless. The overall build quality is top tier, with a rigid steel frame that won't flex under pressure. If you need a snip that thrives in awkward positions without sacrificing power, this one's a winner. If Malco's heavy-duty Max 2000 snips are more than you need, the M2004 double-cut aviation snip might be the perfect fit. Designed for distortion-free cuts, this tool makes slicing through round duct, stovepipe, and sheet metal effortless. The compound leverage system multiplies hand force, meaning you get precise, clean cuts without excessive effort. The adjustable pivot bolt lets you fine-tune blade tension for smooth operation, and the three-blade design ensures material feeds cleanly without warping. One of the standout features is the ergonomic handle. Whether you have large or small hands, the grip feels natural and secure. The cutting edges stay sharp longer thanks to hardened alloy steel construction, making this snip a reliable workhorse. It's not the biggest or most aggressive tool Malco offers, but for those needing a well-balanced, easy-to-handle aviation snip, this one delivers. Aimed at professionals and DIYers alike, Irwin's 21304 ZR multi-purpose tin snip delivers precision cutting in a compact package. With an 11 3/4 inch length, this tool provides solid leverage for slicing through up to 24-gauge cold-rolled steel and 26-gauge stainless steel. The hot, drop-forged steel blades are built for durability, while precision ground edges ensure a tight grip for clean, controlled cuts. Irwin designed these snips with a flat blade, making them effective for both straight cuts and curves. A durable spring washer keeps the blades properly aligned, maintaining cutting efficiency over time. The grip is comfortable thanks to double-dipped vinyl handles that reduce hand fatigue during extended use. While it's not the most heavy-duty snip out there, it's a reliable option for general-purpose metal cutting. If you're looking for an affordable, well-balanced tin snip that's easy to handle, this one checks all the boxes.